Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you guys. I attempted to film this a few months ago, but I just wasn't happy with the way that it turned out. I decided to film this tutorial for you guys because a few months ago, I finally found a 15-minute hair. And if you guys know me, I like to take my time when it comes to glam. I'm just kind of like a perfectionist. Like if it's not perfect, I don't want it. But lately I've been wanting to just do quick looks so that I can just look and feel better. Not that I need makeup to feel pretty, but you know, part of feeling good is looking good, and I just want to look presentable. I just want to look a little bit more put together. I don't have to have a full face like this on every day, but you know, I would just like for my hair to not look nappy like it does 90% of the time. I've been trying to teach myself like a quick 15-minute makeup and a quick 15-minute hairstyle, and my 15-minute face honestly isn't even like a full face. It's really just concealer, curling my lashes, eyebrows, and like maybe cream blush and like a lip gloss, but that's it. Once I have a better routine down, I will be making a video, but for now it's just the hair. And I feel like this hair tutorial is just so easy, and it takes me 15 minutes total. Like that includes curling, styling, like doing the volume, and putting hair products in. And you can seriously wear this hairstyle for a few days. I don't wash my hair that often, especially when it's freshly colored, and right now it's extremely faded. I haven't colored it since September. I'm still not sure what I want to do with it, so I've just been letting my hair fade out, and thankfully it faded into a really nice color, and you can't really tell that it's really faded out. So I washed it yesterday and I'm styling it today, and this will last me for like the next 2 days. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's go ahead and get started. So I usually start off by combing through my hair and making sure that there are no tangles, and I like to do this hairstyle on fresh hair so that I can wear it throughout the week. But the first product I'm taking is the Ouai Memory Mist, and this just creates a texture on my hair, and I think that's what holds the style. Then I'm just parting my hair into 2 parts. So the bottom part I honestly don't really care about, it's not important. So the curler that I will be using is the Bellami Hot Rod, and this one is 1.5 inch. And I believe I used it at like 380 degrees. I usually don't go more than 410. But I'm just wrapping it around. As you can see, like the curl isn't that perfect. So I usually wrap it around the barrel 3 times. And if you have shorter hair, then you don't have to wrap it around this many times. But just make sure you leave an inch at the end. Now moving on to the top of my head, I am combing through it again, making sure that there are no tangles. So I'm a little bit more particular about how I curl this top layer because that is the layers that you will be seeing. So I like to take slightly smaller parts, and when I curl it, I make sure that the hair doesn't touch each other so that you can see there's like that gap in between each part of my hair, and that will create more of a loose wave. And as you can see, it's like a longer pulled down curl slash wave. And then for the piece that will be framing my face, I like to go a little bit closer to the root of my hair and then kind of bring it down, and as you can see, it curls away from my face. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Now to brush out the curls, I'm using the wider side of this comb and just brushing through the hair slowly. I'm going to start parting my hair again and start giving my hair volume using the Voloom hair volumizer. I use this tool all the time, so if you are new here and you're interested in what this is, I will leave more information down in the info box. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm pretty much just like crimping it 1 to 2 times right by my scalp, and I'm not bringing the crimp down too much because I don't want it to look too crazy. I do also want to say that this volume does last for days as well. Once I get to the top, I only crimp it about once. I don't do it 2 times, and I try not to go too far down because it can start to show through since the top of your head usually doesn't have that much hair. Here you can see the difference that it makes. It gives my hair so much volume. I never ever do my hair without using this volumizing tool, and I honestly don't even tease my hair anymore, but I do have a full review explaining like step by step and things like that if you are interested. Now don't forget to volumize the back of your head too, because you can't just have volume on the top and on the sides and then the back of your head is all flat. So always make sure to volumize the back of your head.
Mama's really good at makeup. This is the reason why I like her videos.
Now I am taking the Ouai rose oil and I'm taking just a little bit, like this is barely a pump, and I'm working that on the ends of my hair because my ends are a little bit more dry and I'm trying to be really careful and not put it at the roots, and I'm kind of pinching the hair, piecing it out so that it looks a little bit more messy and tousled. Now for even more texture, I am taking the Ouai Texturizing spray and spraying just a little bit on my ends. Now on to the final step, I'm using the Ouai Soft Finish Hairspray, and I like to just spray this just at the pieces that frame my face because I want them to stay curled that way. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys found this helpful and you were able to pick up a few tips and tricks from this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!